Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your customer insights with Qualtrics detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the significance of customer insights in your business strategy. Identify the key objectives for gathering customer insights. Set up your Qualtrics account, ensuring you have access to all necessary features. Familiarize yourself with the Qualtrics dashboard to navigate effectively. Create a new project by selecting the appropriate survey type based on your research goals. Design your survey carefully, focusing on clear and concise questions. Utilize different question types provided by Qualtrics, such as multiple choice, text entry, and rating scales. Incorporate logic and branching to ensure relevant questions are shown to each respondent. Preview your survey to test the flow and functionality before sending it out. Distribute your survey through the channels most frequented by your target audience. Monitor the response rates in real time using the Qualtrics dashboard. Use the analysis tools within Qualtrics to segment your data based on demographics or response behavior. Apply statistical methods to analyze trends and patterns in the data. Collect and interpret open-ended feedback for more nuanced insights. Create visual representations of the data, such as graphs and charts, to communicate findings effectively. Utilize Qualtrics reporting options to compile your insights in a professional format. Share the results with relevant stakeholders to drive data-informed decision-making. Continuously iterate on your survey process, incorporating feedback and adjusting strategies as necessary. Leverage the integration capabilities of Qualtrics with other tools to enrich insights further. Establish a routine for regular customer feedback collection to keep insights fresh and relevant. Stay updated on Qualtrics features and best practices to maximize your use of the platform. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your customer insights using Qualtrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.